Hey, what is going on, guys? Jordan Bianchi here again with another haircut tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full shave on my client Troy. He's not going to be trimming the beard hair down before we shave, so we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start by applying a pre-shave cream first. I'm now going to apply a pre-shave oil, which is going to help soften the actual beard hair itself. Next, I will apply a nice hot towel to help soften the beard hair. I will now apply a second towel to make sure that the beard is extra soft. And just for good measure, I will be applying a third towel. This towel will stay on my client's face for approximately a minute. next portion of the shave, I'm going to be doing a second pass with a 2-blade fresh safety razor. Obviously, every client gets a fresh blade, and instead of going against the grain on a beard that has been grown out for so long, I like to do a second pass with a 2-blade safety razor, just to get a little bit closer than the straight razor with the grain. the haircut, I use a hot towel to remove any excess oils, creams, and excess shaving products, along with just a nice wipe down of the client's face to make them feel very relaxed before they leave. Alright guys, so that'll do it. This will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shave video. Obviously I did do a haircut, but that wasn't the point of what I was filming. So if you guys did enjoy the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you considered subscribing, hitting the like button, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.